Hey, what's up, everyone? So now that you've learned how to add integers, we're going to look at how to subtract integers. And if you have already mastered the addition of integers, then this should be extremely simple for you. So the only difference is that we're going to have to change the subtraction problem into an addition problem. So let's look at this first example, example number 1. So we've got -6 minus a -2. The first step is to simply change the subtraction into an addition symbol. So let me do that. All right. And then the second is you want to change the sign of the second number to whatever the opposite sign is. Well, since my second number here is a negative, I want to make it a positive. And then I just simply treat it as an addition problem. So what I really have is not the -6 minus -2 that I began with, but now I have -6 plus +2. Well, going back to the addition rules, we're going to have to subtract the one that has a smaller absolute value from the one that has a greater absolute value. So we're really going to do we're going to do 6 minus 2, which equals 4. But since the one that had the greater absolute value was negative, that means my answer will be negative. My answer here is -4. All right, so the next one. Now I've got a positive minus an even greater positive. So what I'm going to do is change this again into an addition. So I'm going to do 5 plus, and then the opposite of this was actually a +6, but I'm going to make it a -6 now. Now a rule, again, says take the one that has a smaller absolute value, then subtract it from the one that has a greater absolute value. Since the absolute value of 5 is 5 and the absolute value of -6 is +6, then this one is smaller, meaning we take that away from the bigger one. So our answer here is not just 1, because when we go back here to the original problem, this -6 had the greater absolute value, meaning our answer is -1. And that's it. So to recap, all you have to do with a subtraction problem, whether it's with integers or rational numbers, is you are going to have to change it into an addition problem, or think of it as an addition problem. And that's it.